I'm Senator Bob Huff with my Capitol comment for the week of February 9th, 2015. People sometimes forget the less than glamorous work we do in the Capitol day in and day out. As this is the beginning of a new year and legislative session, many folks and groups are visiting the Capitol, getting reacquainted with returning legislators, but more importantly, meeting the many new ones. In addition to the many individuals and small groups that I met with in my office, I travel to larger gathering areas to address larger groups and to address their questions. Among these larger groups, I met this week with the Parent Teachers Association. As I indicated to them, education and education reform will remain at the top of my agenda this year. I also outlined priorities and answered questions while speaking before a large gathering of newspaper publishers, both large and small, from across the state. They are part of the California Newspaper Publishers Association. I had a warm introduction by one of my constituents, Bruce Wood, who publishes the Chino Champion, who recalled me knocking on his door when I was first campaigning for Assembly 11 years ago. I also met the publisher of the newspaper I grew up with in my hometown of Imperial, California, Gerard Delaney of the Imperial Valley Press. The last large group that I spoke with was the board of the California Apartment Association. Affordable housing is an important state issue, and we talked about some of the state regulations that sometimes get in the way of accomplishing that. Now on to another matter. A big topic at the state capitol and just about everywhere in California, it seems, has been the state's child vaccination laws in light of the recent outbreak of measles. There are now more than 120 confirmed cases of measles in California. Under current law, children are required to be immunized against common diseases like measles, mumps, or rubella in order to be admitted to a school, unless the child has a physical condition or medical circumstances that could be made worse by the vaccination. Only the child's doctor can make this professional decision. California also allows what's known as the exemption clause, where parents may opt their children out of the immunization requirements because of religious or personal reasons. Again, a doctor's note is required for this exemption. Many believe the effect of California's exemption clause is the cause of these measles outbreaks. While medical experts overwhelmingly agree that vaccines are safe, preserving the freedom of parental choice has now emerged as part of the conversation. There will be a proposal to tighten the exemption clause. We haven't seen the details of the bill yet, but so far we know that it would only eliminate the personal exemption clause, while the religious and medical exemptions would stay the same. I look forward to reviewing the proposed bill in detail and weighing what appropriate actions must be taken in the coming months. I'll be sure to keep you updated, but this is an important health issue and I want to know what you think. Please go to my website and click on the link titled Contact Me and let me know your thoughts. Or if you're watching this on my Facebook page, leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching. I'm Senator Bob Huff.